Welcome to the April edition of Northwest Georgia Health News, the official news source of AdventHealth Gordon, AdventHealth Murray, AdventHealth Redmond, and AdventHealth Medical Group. I'm Garrett Nudd. We were thrilled to welcome NASCAR driver Ross Chastain to AdventHealth Redmond on Friday, March 17. Together with AdventHealth Redmond President and CEO Isaac Sendros, Ross Chastain welcomed community members and visited patients and team members in the hospital. Rika Meyer was on the scene to share a special story.
Ross Chastain walked through the hospital and met with AdventHealth Redmond team members. He signed autographs and greeted patients and their families. CEO and President Isaac Sendros interviewed Ross in front of the crowd of community and team members.
It was great to see the patients and the family members light up when they met him. But to have his presence, his energy on campus was amazing for our patients, our physicians, and our staff. It was just so great to experience that.
Ross shared with our team how he values frontline workers and understands the heart and professionalism they provide each day. The highlight of his visit was Ross meeting 6-year-old Hiago Cruz, a double liver transplant recipient. He surprised Hiago and his family with tickets to his upcoming race in Atlanta, and they could not have been more thrilled.
Getting to meet Hiago and his family and get to see him and his big brother come out, that was a cool moment to get to tell him, let him look at the car and then see his eyes come up, and I kept getting it to look higher and higher, and he finally saw his name. He's like, "That's my name." So I'm sure when we get Sunday, he's gonna be really excited. Let him see the car out there on the grid, and just let him get to experience that.
In March, AdventHealth was recognized by Forbes magazine as one of the best employers for new graduates. Forbes partnered with market research company Statista to identify the 300 companies most liked by new workforce members in 2022. This spring, the AdventHealth Redmond Surgery Center was named a 2022 Human Experience Guardian of Excellence Award winner by Press Ganey, the global leader in healthcare experience solutions and services. This award is part of Press Ganey's annual ranking of the top hospitals and health systems in the country, and AdventHealth Redmond Surgery Center ranks in the top 5% of healthcare providers. We are excited to announce the successful transition of our new electronic medical record system, Epic. This system unifies patients, healthcare professionals, and other stakeholders to enhance communication and care throughout a patient portal. Launching this new system was years in the making, and our team members are heroes for the extra time they spent training and learning this new system.
I think all in all it's gone very well. I think the problems that we're encountering are expected problems that we see with each go live that we have been through. Initially, no matter how much preparation you do, it's kind of like wading through sand for the first couple of weeks. We've had very positive results though after the first couple of weeks from the previous waves that we've encountered that have really liked the system once they get used to it.
Recently, the surgical team at AdventHealth Gordon celebrated their 1,000th robotic surgery case. Led by Dr. Hawk Lee, fellowship-trained urologic oncologist and director of robotic surgery, the program started in 2015 and now provides the most comprehensive multidisciplinary robotic surgery program in the region.
And I was very fortunate to be able to be with Dr. Lee from the beginning of our program. Even before the robot arrived here, we had a plan of what we wanted for our program, and I got to be a part of that in the initial planning of our program, in the training, setting up, making sure that we were ready to do our first case. And now we're 1,000 cases in. I was very fortunate to be able to watch 750 of those.
In March, many of our EMS team members were honored at the 2023 Northwest Georgia Region 1 EMS Award Banquet. David Young, a member of the AdventHealth Redmond EMS team, received the Virginia D. Hamilton Special Achievement Award. Caleb Croft and Wesley Grace, AdventHealth Redmond EMS team members, received the David Lofton Pediatric Call of the Year, and Paige Hall from AdventHealth Gordon EMS received the Bill Peace EMT of the Year. Our EMS was well represented at this awards banquet, and we are grateful for their service to our communities across Northwest Georgia. AdventHealth Home Care Gordon now offers home care services in Murray County. AdventHealth Home Care Gordon provides skilled nursing, physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, and home health aid services around the clock. AdventHealth Home Care Gordon also serves Bartow, Gordon, Catoosa, Floyd, and Whitfield counties. AdventHealth Georgia has been working on enhancing the impact of the foundation in the communities it serves. We recently talked with new foundation director Jake Hager about his top priorities in his new role. So Jake, we're really excited about your new role with the foundation.
Yeah.
Tell us about it.
Thank you, Garrett. Yeah, I'm really excited to be joining the AdventHealth team and helping to grow our collective impact to making families feel whole and expanding the mission of AdventHealth of extending the healing ministry of Christ. It's a really exciting opportunity to be involved with the foundation and really helping to grow our collective impact with our communities that we serve.
And this month, for our mission moment, let's go to Julian Johnson, our Vice President of Mission and Ministry.
I'm so excited to share this epic mission moment with you. No, I'm not talking about another class or series of classes. I'm not talking about an electronic medical record system. I'm speaking about epic moments. These epic moments are points in time that are seen by many or just a few. While rounding recently, I saw something amazing. As I walked around the corner, I saw a group of team members standing together. I thought to myself, maybe they're just having an afternoon team meeting to connect around the task for the day. It was more than a meeting. It was an afternoon devotional led by Ronald, an engineer. Each person took time out of their schedule to pause for just a moment. And Ronald is not a chaplain, but does the work of a spiritual leader. That's my work, that's your work, and that's our work. Each of us can do something to create epic moments. It may not be the same, but we can all do something. And I want to challenge you today. Let's create some epic moments in your department, on your campus, and in the community. Share a picture of yourself or your team doing what you call an epic moment by replying to this video below. How do we define an epic moment? Well, I will leave that to you.
Thank you for watching Northwest Georgia Health News. For AdventHealth Gordon, AdventHealth Murray, AdventHealth Redmond, and AdventHealth Medical Group, I'm Garrett Nudd. Have a blessed day.